Prouts Court is on the ground floor of the apartment block. There are no steps from the front area as you come in, so it's level and it's entry level, so there's no steps to worry about here. There isn't a lift, so the other occupants in the other levels do have to go up and down the stairs. From here you've got beautiful views out towards Dartmoor. You have 2 bedrooms, a living area which incorporates the kitchen where I am now, and a bathroom with a shower all set up in there for you. There is a further area down in the basement for storage. You could fit as much as a bike in there, it's like a shed, and there's parking for 1 car per unit as well as a visitor space. So if you'd like to carry on and look at the video and then call the office for a viewing or with any further questions, we'd be happy to answer.